The isolate commands. Open the 3B template that was created in article Creating Template for 3D Modeling. Click the right window that you see on the screen. Click the View menu, select Viewports and select one viewport. On the screen you can see 3 3D objects. The isolate commands control the display of objects by isolating or hiding a selection set. The isolate objects command displays selected objects across layers. Unselected objects are hidden. To select the Isolate Objects tool, click the Tools menu, select Isolate, and select Isolate Objects. Select the Isolate Objects tool. AutoCAD prompts select objects. Click the box and pyramid. Right-click. You can see result on the screen. Press the Ctrl-L and Z keys to cancel the last command. The Hide Objects command hides selected objects. To select the Hide Objects tool, click the Tools menu, select Isolate and select Hide Objects. Select the Hide Objects tool. AutoCAD prompts select objects. Click the box. Right-click. You can see result on the screen. The End Object Isolation command redisplays hidden objects. To select the End Object Isolation tool, click the Tools menu, select Isolate, and select End Object Isolation. Select the End Object Isolation tool. You can see result on the screen.